In a town called Orlu, in Imo State, Nigeria, there was once a bank like no other. It was called Umuchukwu Bank, and people could not believe how special it was. No matter how much money people took out, the bank never ran out of cash. It was as if the money would never finish. Everyone talked about the man who owned the bank. His name was Ignatius Kelechi Agbugba. He was a mystery, and his bank became a legend. A long time ago, in the 1970s, Ignatius Agbugba came to Orlu. No one knew him before, but suddenly, he had plenty of money. He rented a small office and told people he was starting a bank that would help everyone. Unlike normal banks that ask for papers and security before giving loans, Umuchukwu Bank gave loans to anyone. You didn't need a guarantor or any documents. If you wanted to save money, the bank gave you huge interest. And guess what? No one ever had trouble getting their money back. At first, people didn't trust it. But when they saw nobody lost money, they rushed to deposit their savings. Businessmen, traders, teachers, market women, and even rich people from Onitsha and Abia started coming to use the bank. As the bank grew, people started asking, where does this money come from? Normal banks invest money or use savings from customers. But Umuchukwu Bank gave out money like magic. Some people had strange ideas about it. Some people believed it was juju, magic. Some said Ignatius had a secret deal with spirits. That he went to a shrine in Arochukwu, a place known for its strong traditional powers. Some say it was blood money, the others believed he used dark rituals to bring money. In Nigeria, some people think sudden wealth comes from sacrifices. Was he working with foreigners? Some people thought he was helping rich men from outside Nigeria to hide their money. But the strangest part was that Ignatius never wrote down anything. There were no records of who deposited money or who took loans. Everything was inside his head. Imagine it's a hot afternoon in 1983. The market is busy, and many people are standing in front of Umuchukwu Bank. A rich trader, Chief Obina Nwanko, walks in. He had saved 500,000 Nigerian nairas in the bank a month ago. Today, he wants to take everything out. The cashier smiles and asks, do you want your money in sacks or bundles? Obina is surprised. That's it. No questions. No delay. Minutes later, he leaves with his car full of money. He turns to his driver and whispers, this bank is not ordinary. Nearby, an old woman, Mama Chinya, kneels at the bank's entrance, thanking God. She borrowed money to start her food business, and now she is doing well. This was the magic of Umuchukwu Bank. Everyone always got their money. For years, the bank helped many people. Some became rich. Businesses grew. People called it God's own bank. But then, something shocking happened in 1985. Ignatius Agbugba died. Nobody knows how. Some say he collapsed in his office. Others say jealous people poisoned him. Whatever the truth was, his death brought an end to the bank. The next morning, people came to withdraw their money. The bank was locked. The workers gone. Some angry customers broke into the bank. They opened the vault, but inside, nothing. Not even 1 naira. A bank that once had millions was now completely empty. People searched for the workers, but nobody ever saw them again. Some even believed the workers were spirits, sent to guard Ignatius's secret money. The Nigerian government tried to investigate. But guess what? They found no records. There were no papers, no transaction history, no licenses. It was as if Umuchukwu Bank never existed. Even today, old people in Orlu still talk about Ignatius and his endless money. Some believe he hid his fortune somewhere, and treasure hunters still search for it. Others say the money was never real, it was all a powerful trick. Was Umuchukwu Bank a miracle, a scam, or something supernatural? The truth is still unknown. But one thing is certain, this was a bank like no other. This is just one of many mysterious and unbelievable stories from Africa. If you love stories like this, then subscribe to Folklore of Africa, like this video, share it, and comment below. What do you think, was the bank real or magic? Let us know. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing stories from our great continent.